Hi there, I found this connector in the recycling bin. It came from a medical device, and because it's something you probably never saw before except you're working in the professional electronics area, I thought I'd show you that connector a little bit closer. This is a LEMO connector and the company is located in Switzerland. It was founded in 1946. They made electric contacts for all kind of things. Well, one thing is they are pretty expensive. The connector here is about $100 in the catalog, and the outlet is about $30 to $40 depending on where you look at. LEMO has a large variety of different connectors. They have stainless steel case, they have plastic case, they even have connectors for nuclear plants, for underwater applications or high voltage, as you can see here. These are some of the special connectors. So let's see what makes this connector so special. First of all is this locking mechanism. You align the red dots, you push them in until they click, and they only release when you pull that ring on the connector. And by the way, the pattern here on this ring has a name. That's a chocolate plate pattern, and LEMO has a patent of that because, well, it's a Swiss company, chocolate plate, that makes sense. The first part you can see is this strain relief here. As you can see, it's a beautiful machined. There is also a pin, a locking pin, so that the strain relief cannot rotate when you tighten the nut. And here is a cover on the back that releases all the insides of the connector, including the contacts. The individual contacts here can be replaced and they can be bought separately. They are about $3 each. And here you can see how this locking mechanism works. It's pretty simple. If you pull the ring back, these two hooks there release and the plug comes out. At the assembly you will see that everything has a locking tab or a locking pin, so everything stays in place in the correct spot, in the correct orientation. And you can also see this insert here can rotate, but only as long until you install the rectangular cable feed here. And that locks everything in place again. And once the rear cover here is installed and tightened, everything tightens up, nothing is loose, nothing rattles. It's a perfect connector and a perfect design.